They are elderly, some obviously frail, and many have no doubt been isolating for months. But here they are in the freezing cold, queuing for a vaccine at their surgery. One step closer to safety and a return to normal life, something they are taking in their stride.
I wouldn't say excited. We don't get excited at our age.
You speak for yourself.
He's high risk, so we haven't been anywhere. This is quite an outing for us.
These are the people we're trying to protect over Christmas, the most vulnerable to coronavirus when cases surge in the community. The government had hoped infections would remain low after lockdown, reducing the risk of loosening restrictions for 5 days.
It's certainly true that if we go into Christmas relaxation with cases rising and they're already quite high, then this is a risk that things will get dramatically worse, especially when we see the death toll in January. 3 households is probably quite high risk now, given the numbers.
Countries around the world are faced with the same dilemma, and many have announced stricter measures. Between Christmas Eve and Boxing Day, the Netherlands has limited house guests to 3 per day. In Italy, people are banned from leaving their hometowns on Christmas Day, Boxing Day and New Year's Day. A full lockdown is still being considered. But Germany, in lockdown from tomorrow, is only allowing 1 household to host 4 family members plus children on Christmas Day. Thanksgiving in America is a really good example of how the virus can surge during national celebrations. Cases and hospitalizations rose by 20% and deaths by 30%. You could say that celebrating Christmas here in people's homes for 5 days poses an even greater challenge. But will it have the same effect here? Of course it could, but this scientific simulation clearly shows how we can all reduce the risks around the table. By just opening the windows, particles disperse more quickly, and the virus isn't always transmitted.
This feeling that, oh, well, if I've met with someone for a little bit, it doesn't matter now, because if they were infectious, I've bound to have got it. And the data just don't bear that out. Even, in a household that's living together for a few days, not everybody gets infected.
All 4 nations must now decide what to do about Christmas, and it's not going to be easy. Emily Morgan, News at 10.